Now we will study methods for solving quadratic equation. We can solve any quadratic equation by three methods. By any of these three methods. First is by factorization. In this we do middle term splitting. By using middle term splitting method we can do factorization, and we are very familiar with this method because we are studying this method since class 8th. Second method is by completing the square or by completion the square. I will explain its proof. Third method is by solving quadratic formula. We are having a quadratic formula. I will explain this also after this. Now, one word comes discriminant. What do you mean by discriminant? The expression b square minus 4ac means this is called discriminant of the equation. Suppose we are having any equation, any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then expression b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and is denoted by d. We denote this expression by d, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and it is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now, on the basis of this discriminant, we will find values of the roots and we can decide nature of the roots. So, discriminant of quadratic equation, suppose a quadratic equation is given ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. On the basis of this discriminant, means on the value of this d, we will decide whether this equation is having real roots, real and equal roots, real and distinct roots, or no real roots or imaginary roots. And we will calculate values of the roots. Come to first point, if d greater than 0, means this discriminant is greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots will be real and distinct. Distinct means roots will having two different values, because in a quadratic equation number of roots are 2, then roots will be real and distinct. These two roots will have different value, and we can calculate value of roots by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, where this b square minus 4ac is discriminant and divided by 2a. Now, d is equal to 0. When this discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then nature of roots of this equation will be real and equal. Means they will have real value and roots will be equal. That then we can say that roots are coincident or equation is having coincident roots. Then values of this root will be minus b by 2a, because b square minus 2ac is 0. This is 0. Then it will equal to minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Both roots will have same value. In third case, if discriminant less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots will be there, that is equation is having imaginary roots. This concept we will study in our 11th class also in complex number chapter. And values of roots will be roots will not have any real value, that is imaginary value. Now, quadratic formula. Suppose we are having a equation, the roots, we have to find the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is standard form of quadratic equation, and we have to find the roots of this equation. Then by quadratic formula, roots will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where this b square minus 4ac is discriminant, and one condition is that this discriminant or b square minus 4ac should be greater than equal to 0. This is quadratic formula. These are basic terms of this chapter. Now let's start exercise 4.1.